Hey Super Jennie fam, and welcome to another video. For this week's video, we want to show you guys how to properly care for your Super Jennie menstrual cup. Taking good care of your menstrual cup is essential for avoiding any infections and for making sure that your cup lasts a long time. So the first thing you want to do every single time that you touch your cup is to make sure that your hands are nice and clean before inserting, removing, or even cleaning your cup. We recommend washing your hands with mild, unscented soap before inserting or removing your Super Jennie. Boiling your menstrual cup is an essential step of making sure that your cup stays nice and clean. So if this is the first time that you're taking your Super Jennie out of the box, make sure that that's one of the first things that you do. Other than that, we recommend boiling your cup one time per cycle, either at the beginning or at the end of each cycle. Some people also choose to do it once at the beginning and once at the end, which is also totally fine. To boil your cup, you want to make sure that you're doing it properly. The first step is to find the pan that you don't mind boiling your cup in. Some people like having a pan designated for this, and other people actually choose to buy special cup boilers. Any traditional pan will work. After you have placed it in a large pan or pot of boiling water, we recommend leaving it for 5 to 10 minutes. To ensure that the cup is not damaged by sitting directly on the bottom, do not leave the boiling pot unattended. If it's not fully submerged, it won't fully be sanitized, so you really want to make sure that you get rid of all the air bubbles and you push your cup down. A great hack for protecting your cup and making sure you don't end up melting it, even though it isn't a necessary step, is to put it in one of these hand mixers. By putting it in one of these hand mixers, you're allowing the cup to sit in the water, not move around too much, but also not be touching the bottom of the pan, which is usually what causes melting. In the event that you accidentally burn your cup in the pot, it may be ruined and should be replaced. The Super Jennie cup is a high-capacity cup. We recommend you empty and clean the cup minimum 2 times per day, either with mild unscented soap and warm water or a thorough rinsing. The holes located beneath the rim of the cup must be kept clear at all times. Check for and remove any forms of debris that may have been caught and are blocking the holes. Do not use rubbing alcohol, vinegar, scented soap, lemon juice, oil-based soaps, peppermint soap, hand sanitizer, pre-moistened wipes, bleach, or any other harsh chemicals, as these may cause damage to the silicone material of the cup and cause irritation. We recommend replacing your Super Jennie every 12 months. Inspect your cup regularly. Replace your menstrual cup at any sign of deterioration, such as severe discoloration, odor, and if you experience any irritation. Note that the Super Jennie will naturally and slightly discolor over time due to prolonged usage. This does not impair its functionality. A great way to store your cup is to store it in a cotton pouch. Do not store your cup in an airtight bag or container. If you keep your cup in a little cloth bag between uses, it is also important that you remember to throw it in the wash once in a while so that stays clean too. We hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please give us a big thumbs up. We love having you in our Super Jennie family, and we will see you in our next video.